Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 24 inch canvas tonight, and this is part of a collaboration with Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. She asked Mina and Kelly and I to collaborate with her on a Southwest color palette, and I'm really excited about these colors. So let me show you what I've got. My base coat color is going to be black. You can see that I'm using a previously used canvas. And that's my base coat color, and then I have lots of luscious colors. Let me just lay them out this way, I think. There we go. So Southwest colors to me are rich earth tones with bright, vibrant turquoises and that kind of thing. So I have Golden's red oxide, which I don't use very often. I'm really excited about this kind of deep terracotta color. This is Amsterdam vermilion. This is Amsterdam light gold, Amsterdam titanium white, artist loft metallic cobalt, which is a dark turquoise color, I feel. And then this is Amsterdam turquoise blue with a little bit of white mixed in just to lighten it up so that these two have different tones. My idea is to lay down a pattern and then wreck it. I spent 15 years in Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I traveled quite a bit when I was there for work into, I'm just gonna spray the back of this canvas because it looks like it wants to sag in the middle. I spent a lot of time also through work in Arizona and New Mexico. And one of my favorite things about these Southwest colors was always the native blankets that are heavily patterned. And so I want to create some kind of pattern using these colors, and like on the Indian blankets. And let's rub that in a little bit. I should have done this before I turned on my camera. Okay, let's make sure I'm still in frame. Back that up just a little bit. There we go. All right. So I'm going to put down a puddle here in the center of my black, and then I'm going to do, I still don't know if I want to do lines or if I want to do puddles. I think I want to do puddles. And then I'm going to wreck it using a skewer and then tilt it out and hopefully have a really interesting pattern. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put down my base coat, and then we'll have some fun. Actually, let's start right here.
When the sun's going down, no stars in the sky, I'ma head down the road across county line, where they roll up the smoke, they pour beer and wine, and hearts break on the jukebox, where the neon stars shine, where the neon stars shine. Dark of the night, so nobody knows. We're hanging on a memory, we're hung out to dry, just doing our time, where the neon stars shine. Well, the folks gathered around, they all look the same. They know my train, but can't remember my name. Ain't nobody listening, and that suits me just fine. Oh, they wanna hear me cry, where the neon stars shine, where the neon stars shine, and the whiskey flows, and the the dark of the night, so nobody knows. Been hanging on a memory, and we're hung out to dry, just doing my time where the neon stars shine. Where the neon stars shine and the whiskey flows in the dark of the night, so nobody knows. We're hanging on a memory, and I'm hung out to dry, just doing our time where the neon stars shine. Come all you young rounders, and a story I'll tell of the promise of heaven and the warning of hell. But take heed where you ramble, or too soon you will go. Way up on the hillside where the new flowers grow. Well, he met in the springtime, the sun sinking low. Two star-crossed lovers in the still melting snow, where the loving was easy and the courting was brief. Well, they called her a beauty, they called him a thief. In the quiet of the evening, they'd steal away, where the laughter would flow and the fiddle would play. Well, the folks called it wrong, but hell, it seemed alright. In the sun-painted picture, and the day turned to night. Come up on the hillside, we'll have a time. If you'll bring the kisses, honey, I'll bring the wine. Keep your heart guarded, or too soon it'll fall. When one walks back home, honey, only one knows it all. Well, she walked up the hillside alone one day, and the heart is a hunter, always knows of its prey. And her father's old pistol hanging loose by her side. When she aimed once, she never shot twice. Well, the air was so still, and the sky was so blue. Before she could see them, After she knew it, she heard 2 shots ring out down in the town. There was 3 on the hillside, but only 1 headed down. I was just a baby, but I remember that day when I walked up the hillside, saw 2 mounds of clay. I'll always remember, and I'll never go back up the hillside where the new flowers grow. Back up the hillside where the new flowers grow.
Oh my God, I love it. Wow, look at the colors. That red oxide is super cool. I'll definitely use that again. I'm glad I've got a couple of metallics in here. The gold and the cobalt blue are both metallics, so there'll be lots of sparkle when this dries. That black adds so much great depth and contrast in here. And just the way that this tilted out, the motion and the pattern, oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm so excited about that. I'm definitely gonna do this again. That's beautiful, wow. I hope you like it. And thank you very much, Karen, for inviting us into this collab. I think I've discovered a new little obsession. Look at those colors together. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is vibrant. I love it. I hope you like it too. So thank you very much for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and go mix up some paints and be fearless.